What can you expect at Spring Fling 2025? Over 700 Mopars from classics to modern builds, 300 plus swap meet sellers, 50 plus vendors with tech and custom services, and 9,000 plus spectators make this weekend an unforgettable celebration of all things Mopar. Admire factory stock builds because they preserve history. You're seeing the car the way it rolled off the line decades ago. But at the same time, custom builds are a form of self-expression. I love when someone takes a classic and makes it their own, as long as the heart of the car stays intact. So honestly, I'd say I'm somewhere in the middle. I respect both approaches equally. Depends on the intention behind the build. A thoughtful modification, like a disc brake conversion or updated suspension, can make a classic more drivable without stripping its soul. I think mods can enhance a car's story if they reflect the owner's vision and respect the vehicle's roots. A car doesn't stop living when it leaves the factory. It evolves with every person who drives it. It's encouraging. Seeing kids ask questions and get excited, it means this culture has a future. Unforgettable. You get this mix of adrenaline and nostalgia that's hard to put into words. It's like stepping into a time machine and a block party at the same time. Both, but honestly, the community. You come for the cars, but you stay for the conversations and friendships you make. It's the people. Everyone's approachable, knowledgeable, and just here to share the love. Plus, the variety of cars is unbeatable. Hats a wrap on the Spring Fling Mopar Show, one of the largest and most beloved Mopar gatherings west of the Mississippi. With a weekend packed full of show cars, swappers, vendors and fans from all over the world, this event brings together community, history and horsepower like no other. From track days at Willow Springs to coastal cruises and laid-back meetups, the Spring Fling is more than a show, it's a full-on experience. It was such a great time attending with Ralph, Matt and Emily, and I'm already looking forward to the fall 2025 edition. For more info on dates for the fall 2025 edition, check the link in the bio, and as always, I'm Nikki Pursuit. Thanks for coming along for the ride.